You look sweet as ever, just how I picture you. Swear that you're looking better, and that's so